From the greatest skating partnership of all time, Jane Torval and Christopher Dean! Superb.
Breathtaking.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
An incredible way to start the show.
Thank you.
So tell us how the week's been going in skating camp.
Well, it's been a big week.
Yeah.
We've had the ante's gone up, the standard's gone up, everybody's pushing themselves, but we've also had some injuries.
Yeah, what is the injury list this week?
Well, we've still got ribs, we've got back, we've got head, as we've just seen with Kay. So, but you'll really notice a big improvement with everyone.
And some of them have struggled this week as well, haven't they?
Well, we've got the spiral, and it's not the most natural position for some of them. And so, yeah, they've struggled a little bit, but hopefully they're getting it higher tonight.
Yeah, we'll have a look at that in just a moment. But for the moment, ladies and gentlemen, let them get their breath back. Torval and Dean!